In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a logo or avatar on Tradingview charts. By the end, you'll be able to place your brand or profile image directly on your chart so your screenshots, shared ideas, or streams look clean and professional without covering important price action. Start by opening the chart you want to work with in Tradingview. Make sure you are on the standard desktop interface so the toolbar looks familiar. On the left side of the chart, look for the seventh icon from the top. This icon opens a group of annotation tools. If you are unsure, hover your mouse over each icon and read the labels until you find the one that lists annotation options. Click it to expand the toolset. From that menu, choose Image. This is the tool specifically designed for placing a picture on the chart canvas. As soon as you select it, a dialog box will appear. You can click to browse your computer or simply drag and drop your logo or avatar into this window. Tradingview supports common formats like PNG and JPG. If you have a version of your logo with a transparent background, a PNG will usually give you the cleanest result over candles and indicators. Aim for a reasonably high-resolution file so it stays crisp when resized, but not so large that it becomes heavy to load. Once the image is loaded, it will appear on your chart. Click and drag it to move it wherever you want. Many people prefer a lower corner, so it's visible but doesn't block candles or indicator values. Use the handles around the image to resize it smoothly. Keep it large enough to read on screenshots, but small enough to stay unobtrusive. You can also fine-tune how the image blends with your chart. Open the image settings to adjust transparency. If you want a subtle watermark style effect, increasing transparency helps the logo sit in the background without distracting from price. Explore the available settings to align it precisely. Tweak its appearance and make sure it complements your color theme. If the logo competes with your grid lines or volume bars, a slight transparency adjustment or a small size reduction usually fixes it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your charts.